Welcome, YouTubers. I wish y'all a happy Valentine's Day. And keep coming back. Strike them lights, man. Just want to say happy Valentine's Day, and y'all give all the women the love, kisses, and hugs. I just want to tell you, baby, I love you. Now just keep going back. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you, baby. Welcome, YouTubers. I wish y'all a happy Valentine's Day. And keep coming back. Strike them lights, man. Just want to say happy Valentine's Day, and y'all give all the women the love, kisses, and hugs. I just want to tell you, baby, I love you. Now just keep going back. Happy Valentine's Day. I love you, baby. Welcome, YouTubers. I wish y'all a happy Valentine's Day. And keep coming back. Strike them lights, man. Just want to say happy Valentine's Day, and y'all give all the women the love, kisses, and hugs. I just want to tell you, baby, I love you. Now just keep going back. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you. I really hope y'all will enjoy my channel. I really hope y'all can keep coming back, smashing the likes, subscribe, because I got a lot of content I want y'all to see. I want to start supporting the local bands. I'm going to start a live channel on YouTube, and I want to have bands come and play live, and I'm going to have some new talent coming, all sorts of things coming. I just got to be able to get it out there. Y'all keep hitting them likes and subscribe, man. Get me built up so I can put it out there for you. And y'all leave the comments and let me know what y'all like. Enjoy the video. Happy Valentine's Day again. Hope all the lovely ladies are having a wonderful day and enjoying their Valentines. Y'all please come to our store. Give us some ideas and comments of what y'all would like to have on there. remember, come to davidyork1313.wix.com. Support the channel. Thank you. Keep coming back. And happy Valentine's Day once again. I do a little bit of everything, not just regular music, but I do beats and other stuff too. So that's why I'm gonna bring out a whole lot of different talent. If y'all can just help me get this channel up. Check this out right here. Yeah. Y'all come on back now. Happy Valentine's Day, baby.